pigilan itong si Cyrus Baguio. Talagang kailangan ang depensa po rito, dikit na dikit. Same thing with his rival sa kabila, si James Yap na pumutok na ngayong gabi na ito.
Yeah, see a lot of fathers with their sons, fathers with their daughters. Alam mo, PB, ano kasi bonding experience yan.
Oo, kaya medyo malungkot itong araw ko, Father's Day. This is my first Father's Day without my dad. I miss you, Dad. Yes.
Did you learn any basketball lessons from your father?
But of course, siya yung nagturo sa akin na mag-basketball and the same passion para sa laro na yan. And sadly nga, kaya mas palungkot sa akin because my dad died playing basketball. Yun yung bonding namin. Ang daming nangyari sa basketball court. Pati mga away, yung mga away namin, magkakampi kami.
Akala ko kayo nag-aaway dahil sa basketball.
Hindi, magkakampi kami lagi din.
Ako naman yung aking ama, siya nagdala sa aking pinakaunang PBA game. In the meantime, bagsak dun si Topech Robinson.
And he'll be the one who'll be called for the foul. Ito, makikita natin dito. Pareho actually, nagsungkitan itong dalawang ito. May konting pampamasin si Topix Robinson pero yung kanya sundot ang naabutan doon.
.6:06 to go in the third quarter. Baguio is hijacked, and Robinson, smallest man on the court, will get the follow-up. He has 5 points tonight. 5 points ang lamang ng Bluefield, 60-55. And Ralimi was caught dancing to the wrong song.
But I think ito si Ralimi talagang if not one step, nangunguna ito kay Adam Parada tonight.
Magandang gabi mga kalisyon.